Schools host parent-teacher conferences 4 times a year, and it is important for families to attend. This is your chance to meet with teachers and ask questions about your child's progress. It can be helpful to write down questions ahead of time.
Researchers conducting experiments with a novel technique for sequencing individual cells have made a surprising discovery that challenges our existing knowledge of genetic rules. By examining the genome of a protist, they have identified a distinctive deviation in the DNA code that marks the end of a gene.
The environment consists of various components that interact and influence each other. For instance, the atmosphere provides the air we breathe, while bodies of water like rivers, lakes, and oceans support diverse aquatic ecosystems.
Cambridge scientists have shown that placing physical constraints on an artificially intelligent system in much the same way that the human brain has to develop and operate within physical and biological constraints allows it to develop features of the brains of complex organisms in order to solve tasks.
Rates of depression have been a growing concern in recent years, particularly among adolescents and adults. In the United States, it is estimated that 4.1 million adolescents aged 12 to 17 have experienced at least one major depressive episode. This indicates a rising trend in depression rates among adolescents. Optogenetics is a research tool in neuroscience that uses light to alter the activity of genetically engineered light-sensitive nerve cells to better understand the function and behavior of clusters of neurons in animals. Now, a team led by researchers from the Korea Advanced Institute of Science and Technology has developed an implantable optogenetic light-emitting device that can be wirelessly recharged.
This will just take a minute. We all know money can't buy happiness, but according to a recent study, there may be a loophole. A team of researchers finds that shelling out for services that save time can bring greater feelings of life satisfaction than, say, simply buying more stuff. The results appear in the proceedings of the National Academy of Sciences.
Plants play a crucial role in ecosystems, serving as a foundation and contributing to human well-being by providing resources such as food and medicine. In order to gain a deeper understanding of how plants can adapt and remain resilient in the face of challenges like climate change, scientists have developed an innovative mathematical model. A groundbreaking study on recent evolutionary changes in natural populations has been conducted by a team of international researchers. The study utilized a vast genomic data set, one of the largest ever assembled for animals in their natural habitat, which included almost 4,000 Darwin's finches. Astronomers have conducted an impressive observation campaign using a total of 12 telescopes, both on land and in space, including 3 facilities belonging to the European Southern Observatory, ESO. The study has revealed the peculiar behavior of a pulsar, which is a dead star that spins at an incredibly fast rate.